let it rip. He likes the wind. When he's playing outside, the wind blows him and it makes him speed up a little bit more. It makes him go like, it makes him go crazy, very faster. Like you can't even see his bay. So we're not in there right now. Shukuranai. Shukuranai won. He has 1 point. Alright, let's erase Iger's name. Iger is eliminated. Shu moves on. Let's write a 1. Erase that 0, write a 1. Let's erase that again. Next battle's gonna be 1. Let it rip. Okay, so he gets to go through another battle. He's gonna be facing Spryzen. Spryzen is one of the strongest. I don't know if Achilles is gonna survive. Versus Spryzen's the name of the character is called Shu, so I'm just gonna write Shu. Because I write the name of the character right here.
Right.
I wrote it. Shu. His last name is Kuranai, so I'm not gonna write his last name. First 1 point. 1. Shu versus Iger. I don't know if Iger's still gonna win. I don't know if his winning streak is gonna keep on going. Wow. Iger put a lot of damage to that opponent. It was just like a one hit. Like what? Alright, Spryzen could attack him very harder. Even harder than that. Spryzen is a very strong. And Achilles. So both of them might have the advantage. Both of them are balance types. So they're gonna have the advantage. Alright. It's time to do this. I hope you don't lose, Achilles. To the champion of ages. Kim versus Iger. Kim is the big. Alright. Where's my little one? Oh. Iger won. I warned you. Alright. This is Iger. This is Iger's Bey. Alright, let me show you. Iger's Bey is a balance type. His tip could only turn to attack and defense. Darkshark is an attack type. His tip can turn to Barrowing mode or Slingshot mode. that one?
Yeah.
Alright. Wait, I'm gonna check if this is right. Yeah, it's right. Alright, here. Now, alright. Ready? The last thing we need is this.
Remember when this guy lost it to this guy?
Lost
To this guy and he hit it in one shot. They lost in the air. They got in the air.
Yeah, I remember.
I'm gonna try to do that again.
Okay.
I don't know if it's possible, but I'll try. But
See if it's possible.
I did it because of my mind.
Okay.
Its energy layer is very, very, very. His sword and his shield